Okay, it's breakfast time. And let's see. We have Rusty over here eating his. And we have Maggie eating hers. And we have Kirby eating his. And here's Toby's food. Oh, yeah. Where's Toby? Oh, Toby. Don't you want to have breakfast? Come on. Let's eat, buddy. Chicken, rice, some kibble. Let's go. Come on. Let's eat. Don't you want to have breakfast? Come on. Everybody else is eating, Toby. Let's go. Aren't you hungry, buddy? Come on. Here it is. Let's go. Come on, Toby. Get up. Come on, buddy. Come on. Can you get up? Come on. Let's go, mister. You're not hungry? Look. Look what's in there. Look what's in your bowl. Do you want some? All right, but you got to get up now. Come on. Let's get up. Look, Maggie's almost done. Let's go, buddy. Should I plead? Come on. You're starving, aren't you? I can tell by looking at you. Oh, okay. Uh-oh, I thought you were going to get up. Just got an itch, huh? Come on, Tobes. Let's go. Come on, look. Yummy. Look, chicken. Come on, Toby. Let's go. Come on, right now. Maggie, are you almost done? Come on, Toby. Oh, Kirby's already done. Let's go, buddy. Let's go. Tell him, Kirby. Kirby, tell him. Tell him to come eat his breakfast. Kirby. Where's Toby? Tell Toby to eat. Come on. All right, Toby. Last chance.